Hello everyone.
So today's MCQ is the hysterectomy specimen of a 65-year-old patient is shown. What is the most likely diagnosis? A. Adenomyosis, B. Endometrial carcinoma, C. Endometriosis, D. Fibroid.
So now in this case the catch point is that she is a postmenopausal 65-year-old woman, right? And you can see the cut section of the uterus. In this you can very well see there is a irregular polypoidal type, you can say, or friable exophytic type of growth is seen, not polypoidal, it is there. So it is more towards the endometrial cancer.
Ma'am, why it is not adenomyosis?
Now in adenomyosis there is diffuse and enlargement of the uterus, and in that case endometrial cavity is usually normal, it is normal. On cut section you can see the hemorrhagic cyst in the myometrium, but endometrium is normal in this case. So it is not adenomyosis.
And why not endometriosis, ma'am?
Endometriosis का meaning ही होता है outside the uterus. So this option is also doesn't fit here.
And why it cannot be fibroid, ma'am?
You can say because sometimes submucous fibroid आपको confusion कर सकता है, but submucous fibroid is a well circumscribed growth, which is form in consistency, ऐसी friable नहीं होती है. And see the age of the patient. So a postmenopausal patient or postmenopausal bleeding, any image like this, it points towards the endometrial carcinoma.
Thank you.